Hi, I'm David Asboth, and I'm here to tell you about my book, Solve Any Data Analysis Problem. If you're a junior or aspiring analyst, you might have recently completed some foundational technical training. You know how to manipulate data, calculate descriptive statistics, create utilizations, and solve toy problems in a classroom environment. You might be wondering how to continue your learning journey. Now, I'm here to tell you, you don't need more technical training. You need to practice your skills on real-world projects, and you need a process that you can apply to any problem you encounter. In the book, I've created 8 true-to-life projects drawing from my experience as a data scientist and a data trainer. Attempting these projects will teach you skills that are vital for the real world but are often missed in the classroom. And also, they help you practice this process, which is result-driven, it's pragmatic, and it is perfectly applicable to any real-world project you will encounter. The example solutions are in Python, but you can bring any data analysis tool or programming language to try and solve them. You can go to the Manning website right now to get started, and you can also hear more about my work at davidasboth.com. I hope you enjoy the book, I hope it's valuable for you, and I'm really looking forward to hearing what you think about it.